It's getting cold. I need a real coat. Like a coat.
Merry little Christmas.
The best advice I can give anybody in this content creating journey is to post your content. I need to get up out of this mall because I tend to spend when I see things that I like. So I need to have self-control.
Charcuterie board.
I am ready and I cannot wait to host Friendsgiving. And I'm gonna add some clips because I know I'm not gonna be around my phone like that. But your girl cleaned up well, and I'm gonna add some pictures so y'all can see how I look. I'm gonna post them because I'm going to go take some pictures with my photographer. So yeah, here we go.
I'm like, oh,